What up, YouTube? Hey, as you'll notice, you see the scenery around me moving. Want to make sure I got you guys an update, but I was kind of short on time this week, so I figured I'll try and shoot this on my way into work, see how the sound quality is before I upload it. But I want to start off, I want to thank Angela B, latest one to use my referral link. So thank you, Angela. I did get another share of Washington Prime. That is a kind of local stock. It's from bigger city around here, from Columbus, Ohio. As you can see, I'm wearing my winter clothing, my favorite time of year. Not even a little bit. I do not like the cold, so I'm not sure why. I have no ambition to really leave Ohio. But anyhow, moving on, and thanks again to Angela. So I do have a second share of Washington Prime now. That's a stock that I really wanted. It's a dividend stock. They do have a pretty decent dividend on that one. Their last earnings call was went real well. But just overall, seems like a good, solid company. They're a real estate investment company. They do mostly like mall type things is what they invest in. But not one that I would normally buy on my own or anything. It is more of a penny stock in that range. But since I've got 2 free shares, I will take it, hang on to those, and reap the benefits of the dividends on those. So just to kind of give you a little recap from last week, the goal, I wanted to end the week at 150. I was down from that. We suffered another reverse stock split, kind of dropped us a little bit. Then we just kind of had a down. Right up until the last minute, really, on Friday we were down, then we kind of popped back up. So I started the week, including that with that free stock factored in. We started off the week, our portfolio was valued at $142, so we were still down. Just hoping to get back up to that 145 range. We did bounce up a little bit, but then of course I just can't seem to learn my lesson playing around with fire here with these penny stocks. I had invested not a lot, but I think I bought like I want to say 10 shares of Dean Foods, and yeah, you're already looking at me like, oh dude, you messed up bad. Yeah, I had been playing around with that one a little bit off and on. It would jump up around in that $1.25 range and then kick down around $1.10, $1.12. I bought a couple shares at that $1.12 price point. It dropped a little bit more down to like $1.09, so I bought in a little bit more. Thought, hey man, when this thing bounces back up to 116, 117, or better yet, if it goes back up to that 125, perfect. We're in the money there. Yeah, unfortunately, it just kept going down to where after they filed for bankruptcy this week, I ended up. I don't know if I would have made out because the shares were like locked at 80 cents. So I thought I could just do a market sell instead of a limit sell, just to unload those. And doing the market sell, it only gave me 16 cents a share. So took a pretty big hit off of that one. There was another one I went into. Libby Glass. That's another local company. For some reason, I'm just a sucker for these local companies. They're from up in Toledo, Ohio. But same deal, I've been playing around with those. They'll drop a few cents here, go back up, drop a few more cents, go back up. So I bought them on a dip, and unfortunately, after that, they dipped a little bit more, and they were at a real low point. So I'm like, well, I'll buy a couple more shares. So I think I ended up with about 5 shares of Libby total. I think my average on those I was right at $1.76, and that thing just sunk. I think it bottomed out around $1.51, or maybe even in that $1.46 range. So I thought I was just going to have to cut my losses. Then they had a spike yesterday, so I was able to get out, made a little bit of money. They jumped up to $1.77 a share. I got the heck out of there. So I made a few cents off of that one. So we are down at close of the day yesterday. I was at about almost $139. So we lost a couple bucks this week. Hopefully we can regain a little bit of that. I will get obviously money back from, I haven't gotten paid back from the that reverse split that I got hit with last week, so I should get $3 or $4 back from that, and that'll bump me back up. Check my notes here real quick. Yeah, it's terrible because I'm driving, but really I don't think I had a whole lot else. I just wanted to make sure we got a midweek update. Moving away because I keep getting burnt on those penny stocks. I'm trying to get out of those. I've got a couple positions in one penny stock right now. As soon as that hopefully goes back up, I'll sell out of those. I mean, even if I just bit the bullet and sold out now, I wouldn't be out. I think I'm down 6 cents right now, so it wouldn't kill me to just sell them out. But I really like the company, so whether or not they go up, kind of irrelevant. But I'm pretty sure that one's gonna go up. I only actually need it to go up about 1/4 cent, or not 1/4 cent. Yeah, about 1/4 cent. So, and I'll be in the money there. Try to get rid of that one. So by the end of the day, Thursday, I should be able to get out of those positions. Hope everyone's doing well. Hopefully your portfolios are performing better than mine have been this week. Again, gotta get out of those penny stocks. Stay away from those penny stocks. Those are like the danger zone. But that is my goal. Once I sell out of this penny stock, get out of my positions here, that little bit of money that I keep aside for the swing and day trades, I'm going to focus that in and just start using that for a little bit better. They're going to be on the lower end, close to penny stocks, but not quite there. Just something with a little bit of volatility. Sorry, I can't speak right now. So we have that good movement, but I'm trying to stay away from those penny stocks now because I just can't seem to get a winner the past couple weeks, and I don't want to take a really big loss on one of those, and that's basically what we're looking at happening. So let me know in the comments here how everything's going. I still haven't gotten really any feedback on the podcast. If I'm going to do a podcast, I want to get some equipment rather than just shooting on a cell phone, because I mean that's obviously not the ideal or anything. So comment below, let me know how your videos are doing. Make sure you're hitting the like button when you watch these videos. That helps me out. I've noticed, I had a couple friends tell me that I'm actually starting to show up in the searches, so that's a bonus because you really actually had to go out of your way to look for me before. So I appreciate those of you subscribing. Again, hit that like button, share these if you want. Let me know how you're doing. So otherwise, I hope your Wednesday, Thursday is going great. Have a good one, everybody.